Guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss a very hot topic that some people are saying, or there are some rumors in the market that after migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or after upgrading the Windows 11, SSGs got corrupted and or vanish out from the BIOS. So there are many rumors in the market, so I researched on that because I got some comments in my comment section that I have to create one video over that what is my point of view and what I have found over that. So first of all, so I am going to put one thing that is the motive of the Microsoft in front of you, and number two, I am going to put in front of you simple three precautions what you can do that. So first of all, that only few peoples out of 100%, maybe 1% are complaining that they are facing the hardware problem, means problem in the SSD. So Microsoft clearly denies recent Windows 11 update is breaking SSD. So they are clearly denied, and only 1% out of 100% are complaining that they are facing the problem with the SSD. So maybe their SSD health is not good, maybe their internal fault, maybe something else. So we cannot say that because Microsoft is a legacy, and obviously they have strong reputation, so they have already denied that that this type of problem may occur with your system. So till yet, what is my experience till yet from my video, thousands of people upgrading or migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, or upgrading Windows 11 through my videos, and I didn't get any complaint. Number two, by myself and my team have upgraded many Windows 10 PCs till yet, 100 plus PCs uh, till yet, from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on daily basis, because I strongly belongs to the IT field. So on daily basis we are upgrading the Windows 11 on day-to-day basis. So we didn't get any issue. So only 1% people saying that they are facing the problem. So maybe their hardware fault, or maybe their SSG is not up to mark, or maybe their health is weak. So I think, what is my point of view, you can go for Windows 11, no issue at all. And but you can consider three precautions before going on to the Windows 11, and I think that will be considerable for you. Number one, first of all, you have to, if you go on, let's say I'm giving you example. So first of all, you have to make sure that at least you have, before updating, you have to, if you have very important data, these are the precautionary steps. We did thousands of PCs yet, and we didn't get a single complaint from any user. But you can take the precaution steps. So what are the precaution steps? Number one, no import try to move your important data from C drive to any other drive, or to pen drive. Number one. Number two, before updating or upgrading or migrating, your C drive, at least 50 to 60% should be free. So that Windows installation or upgradation can be done easily. At least 40 to 50% SSG should be free. It is not mandatory, but it's precautionary. If you want to take preventive measures, then what will be the preventive measures? I'm going to tell you that preventive measures. Number one, you can move your important data to the pen drive or somewhere else. Number two, you have to make sure at least you have 50% or 60% or 40% disk space. Number three, if your SSD is very old, not mandatory step, but you can take it. You can go onto the properties of your SSD, then you have to go onto the hardware, then you can check out the vendor of your SSD, Lexer. Let's say in my case Lexer, maybe in your case AData, maybe in your case Kingston, SATA, whatever. So this is the dynamic step. So for me, this step is different. For you, this step will be different. The idea is basically to deliver a concept that what you can do that. So go into the Chrome browser. Lexar SSD firmware update. You have to, I'm going to type that. You can, obviously you have to type something else, and go into the downloads. Then scroll down it. Then we can download, let's say in my case we have Lexar disk master for Windows, so I can download this utility. And I'm not going to download in front of you, just it's simple, just we have to download it, and click hit next, and it will be installed, and it will guide you regarding the firmware version, and then you can update the firmware version if you want, but not mandatory, but precautionary, you can take this step. So we have discussed important data, you can move it. We have discussed that at least 50 to 40% is space you should have, and number 3 is your firmware update, and number 4 is going to discuss health of your SSD. Means what is the health of your SSD. Let's say, because when you are going to upgrade your system, your SSD utilize at its maximum level, so your SSD should be in good health. Let's say if you are in fever and I asked you to take a part in marathon race, definitely you cannot survive into the marathon race. You will be lose. So similarly, once we are going to upgrade the system, means SSD is going to take a part in race, and they have to and it has to give its full performance. So health check is very important. So in order to health check, I'm going to tell you a very important tool that is absolutely free. HD Central. Once you click onto the HD Central, you have to go into this link. Then you have to click onto the downloads. Then you have to click onto the first one, hard disk Central Professional. You have to click download. I'm already downloading it, and you can see that just you have to click on that, it will be downloaded. So it is already in progress, it is downloading. So once it's installed, I will check the health of this SSD in front of you. So it is getting some time, otherwise video will get longer. So I'm coming back shortly. So HD Central software has been installed, has been downloaded, sorry, and it has been downloaded, and I have already installed that in my computer. So let me go into the you can see that it was downloaded in my downloads folder, and I moved into the new folder. I had created one folder and moved into the new folder in order to avoid any mess with the other files. So just I moved it into the new folder, and simply I installed it. So setup is simple, no rocket science, so I'm not going for that because I have already installed it. You have to double click on it, you will have a setup, then okay, then next. So now I'm going to open the software in front of you, HD. So you can see that the app has been opened, and you can see that my SSD performance is 100%, excellent. So precautionary, you can take this step before the Windows upgrade or migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You can check out that what is the health of your SSD. So if your health is good, then that's perfect, you can go for that. If excellent, then it is obviously mind-blowing, you can go for that. But if you have a poor health, then I will request you to replace SSD first and then go for the Windows 11. So if I summarize my whole discussion, so there are very few cases, and obviously they will definitely related to their SSD fault or their SSD health. Apart from that, no issue is being reported right now where we have installed the Windows 11 or migrate from Windows 10 to 11. Thousands of people already did it from my video, so we didn't get any case. But obviously preventive measure is a good approach. You can take the preventive measures in order to avoid any loss. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.